Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open an Odoo spreadsheet. We'll be using the Odoo interface to open a spreadsheet from product data inside the inventory app. This is a straightforward process, and once you know where the options are, it becomes very quick to do. Again, anytime you need to work with your records in spreadsheet format, whether for analysis, reporting, or bulk updates, this method will be extremely helpful. Using spreadsheets directly within Odoo lets you keep all your data in sync, reducing the risk of errors that can happen when exporting and importing files manually. To begin, start from the home screen in Odoo. This is the main dashboard, where you can access the different apps available in your workspace. From here, look for the Inventory app and click on it to enter the Inventory Management area. Remember, the Inventory app is where all your product data lives, including stock levels, product categories, and pricing details. So having quick access is key for managing your records efficiently. Once you're inside Inventory, move your attention to the top menu and click on Products. This opens the Products section, where Odoo groups together the items you manage in stock. After that, click on Products again from the drop-down or sub-menu to open the full product list. This will take you to the page where all product records are displayed. This full list is particularly useful if you need to check multiple products at once, review stock levels, or prepare data for reporting. When the Products page loads, switch to the List view by clicking the List View icon. This is important because the spreadsheet option we need is accessed from this layout. If you're currently in a Kanban or card-style view, changing to List View will make the next menu easier to find. List View organizes your products into rows and columns, making it much simpler to select multiple items, sort data, and prepare it for analysis. Now, look for the Settings or Action button on the page. Depending on your Odoo version or screen size, this may appear as a button with additional options for the current list. Click it to open the available actions for your product data. From that menu, select Spreadsheet. This tells Odoo that you want to work with the current records in a spreadsheet environment instead of only viewing them as a standard list. This is especially handy if you want to quickly adjust prices, update product descriptions, or create reports without leaving Odoo. Next, click on Insert List in Spreadsheet. This option prepares your current list of products to be placed into a spreadsheet, which is useful when you want a more flexible way to review, organize, or analyze the data. For example, you could use the spreadsheet to filter products by category, highlight low stock items, or calculate total inventory value. Finally, click Insert. Odoo will then open the spreadsheet and place the selected list into it for you. At this point, your spreadsheet is ready, and you can begin working with the product information directly inside Odoo. If the layout doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment to load, especially if there are many records in the list. One tip: large inventories with hundreds or thousands of products may take a few seconds to render, so be patient and make sure the browser tab remains open. And that's it! You've successfully opened an Odoo spreadsheet from the Product section in Inventory. From here, you can make bulk edits, organize your data, create reports, or even connect it to other Odoo modules like Sales or Accounting for seamless workflow management.